Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I guess this is gonna be my first and formal introduction to my channel. My name is Ahor and my channel name is Ahor MaySix. There are many people who call me Max. I think it's because of, it starts with M and ends with X. But that's not an issue. Today I'm gonna surprise a stranger. I I don't know this guy in person. He stays in Shillong, and I have watched all his videos, which he uploaded on YouTube. And I like his editing skills and the passion and the enthusiasm he has for making videos. And, we all belong to a Dangkul community, and there are very few YouTubers in our community. So we have a small WhatsApp group where we can share our videos, share our inputs, ideas, and all the stuff. So I had a Rode Video Micro which I bought like few years ago, and I thought of using it like whenever I do some kind of vlog kind of videos. But since I'm not into vlog and all these things, so I thought of selling it off or giving it away to somebody who needs it. So I was just advertising the microphone on that WhatsApp group, and this person he texted me personally, and he said he is interested in buying that small microphone, that small camera microphone. So he asked me for how much am I gonna sell that microphone. So I told him that I'll be selling it for 2000 rupees because I have not used it much. So he said that he will buy it. But then I think he is a student, and he says that right now he doesn't have that required fund to buy the microphone. So he said, I need to wait and he needs to wait. So I said, okay. And that's how the conversation ended. After few days, or I think it's more than a month, for some reason I like his way of creating music. So I thought of surprising him. We keep in contact with each other via WhatsApp. So one day I told him that I'll be shipping the microphone, and he said that he's not ready yet. But then, I just want to surprise him with something. So I packed my microphone nicely because I did not have the original box of that microphone, but it was working absolutely fine. And then I sent it over to him with a letter. I informed him that there is a surprise inside the box. So, I watched his unboxing video and he was expecting something. But unfortunately, that something was just a letter. So guys, I will not share you anything more on his video. I'll be sharing the link in the description so that you guys can go check out his channel and watch that video. It's really nice. It was so unexpected, and it really made my day. I had a smile the whole freaking day. Alright, so that's all about this. I'm gonna show you how I pack the package and how I send it to him, and I'm gonna put the link of his unboxing video in my description. You guys can check it out and show some love. Subscribe to his channel and follow him. He is really good. Now I think he has started vlogging more, and I would recommend you, Subguysimic, to vlog more, okay? Because I really love vlog kind of videos instead of the performances, which are very common for Tangkul YouTubers, I would say. So all the best, and I hope you like the microphone, and I hope that it's working good for you. Make more amazing videos, as I said in the letter, and I'll be watching out for you. And to all my friends who are watching this video, thank you again for subscribing to my channel. YouTube has been a blessing to me, though I'm not fully into YouTube. I would honestly say that I get paid from YouTube. YouTube pays me enough to do something which I like, that is making videos, whether it be a personal vlog kind of videos or travel videos, investing on camera or audio gears and all the stuffs. Okay, so Thank you again for watching and for subscribing to my channel. As I said, you should check out this guy. He's really good. Okay, and not only him, okay, because I have seen a lot of upcoming YouTubers from Tangkul community who are doing really good, and the passion they have for making videos is really awesome. But I will not name them because I might miss out some of the YouTubers. But I would really recommend searching Tangkul YouTubers, etc. Okay, all right, so let's go to the video, and this is how I packed a surprise gift which I sent to him. All right. 0140. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. I just want to say that if you are blessed with something that you can share with anybody, please do it. It doesn't matter how big it is or how small it is, it will definitely create an impact to the other person. And let me take this opportunity to wish you all Merry Christmas and a happy 2020. I'll be doing more of these videos, but this is going to be my first Christmas wish to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.